Good afternoon and welcome to Air 7 Asia here at Seletar Airport in Singapore. My name is Chris Kidd, I'm one of the pilots and the Director of Flight Operations here, and I'm going to show you around our facilities today along with Jet Bay. So follow me, let's have a look around. So the first stop on our tour is our salad wall. It's a sustainable salad wall which is harvested every 2 weeks by GoBricks. We use this for our onboard catering and also we sell it in our cafe upstairs. Next stop, the Executive Lounge. Welcome to our Executive Lounge. We use this area for corporate meetings, workshops and small events. We also use it as a crew rest area. The next stop on our tour is our pantry. Our flight attendants use this area to prepare our in-flight catering. We also use it to keep all our drinks and snacks. This is our operations room, the hub of everything that we do over here at Seletar. We do flight planning, flight following, and also have room in here for our engineering and operational support teams. Welcome to our hangar, where we can accommodate up to 8 mid-sized aircraft and even larger aircraft such as a Falcon 7X, G450 or a Challenger 650. As you can see today, we've got our two G200s here, a Phenom and our G100s in the corner. I hope you all enjoy the Air 7 tour. Follow Jet Bay for more aviation related content.